Out here at Merz Farm Equipment, we've got our combines lined up here for fall harvest. You can see we've got a pretty good selection of Massey and Gleaner combines here. So out here, Merz Farm Equipment, right on Highway 73 in Falls City, Nebraska, North Highway 73. We've got the Massey combines lined up here. So starting off with this Massey 9545. This is a brand new machine. This one is retailed. This one is going to a new home over into Missouri. The aluminum ladder there. It's also got the direct drive rotor. So the engine in this combine is sat sideways, and then it's got the belt there you can see coming off of the crankshaft over to that variable speed gearbox coming down to the rotor drive. So very much a direct drive, no loss of transfer through 90-degree gearboxes like some of our Case New Holland, even Deere guys use those, but Case New Holland really use those 90-degree gearboxes all over the machines. We don't do that. We've got belts that are direct drive systems. The other thing is I can pop open a side shield of a combine, and I can look and see if a belt is going to be last or not. So very simple design. You do have the hydraulic reverser there. Reverse that rotor from the rotor all the way back up to the feeder house on this combine. So Massey 9545. The other thing is, this is a very simple machine. There you can see the engine is in there sideways, if you will. So with that in there sideways, look at the side of that combine. Clean, nothing to it. But with that engine in there sideways, that way we are running that power directly from that crankshaft, from the 7-cylinder engine that's very balanced, straight over to that rotor. And so very little power loss there between that. The other really cool thing about our Massey combine is our Tri-Cool cleaning system, air intake system, everything right there. So that is a V-Cool system. That is three-sided triangular thing up there, where that is the fan, the air intake, but that is all of your air conditioner, everything there. Your compressors, all that, so you're not getting chaff in between those coolers. Those coolers can stay clean. That fan will reverse and clean off the chaff from the top of that combine automatically. You very seldom ever have to, if at all, go up there and clean that off. So very cool system. I've got another video that shows that more in depth, but yeah, that's it, guys. There's nothing to the side of this combine. You can see how clean this Massey combine is. So those 4 doors there get you right into the rotor, to the concaves. You can easily get in there and see a lot. So there's that. Cab of the combine, big wide feeder house, largest, widest feeder house out there on the market. So very nice combine. Check out the Massey combine. We've also got the Gleaner S9 Series. This is an S97 going to a customer as well. This is a very simple system as well with the Gleaner. You've got all your adjustments that are on button controls there. We've got the ability to climb back up there. The natural flow system with the Gleaner. It's a nice simple combine, lightweight combine. Get up in this cab, show you the nice cab. We now have this heated and cooled buddy seat. The buddy, not the buddy seat itself, the compartment underneath. So it's a fridge, it's an oven, it's a microwave, whatever you want to call it. It'll warm your sandwich up. It'll keep your beer cold in the afternoon. We've got the Titan terminal in here. The new layout here. A very nice system in here. So the Gleaner S9 Series. Very nice combine. So come check out the Gleaner. Over here we got another Massey 9545 combine with the new Command Series 3308 corn head. So this is the new corn head from AGCO. The new design. Very cool, very nice corn head. If you haven't seen that, check it out. You can see our chains are lined up. Our lugs on our chains are lined up so that it saves those ears. This year in particular, unfortunately, we're going to have some small ears, so it's going to be nice to have that new corn head save some of those small ears. Every little bit's going to count this year, so that new corn head with those gathering chains lined up will be nice. We've got an S96 here, so another S9 series from Gleaner. This one's got the duals on it. Nice combine. The S9, Massey 9545. Then we've got the used combines over here too. So we've got a really nice 96-95. This combine has very few hours on it. If you want a nice used combine right here, they do offer 0% for 24 months on this combine. They have low interest for 36, 48, all the way up to 84 months. So very nice. Very gently used Massey 96-95. Nice machine. It's got the staircase ladder on it that is unusual for that combine, but a nice feature there. Check that out on our website. And then we have a 2015 S78. Nice trade in here. We've got an 8780 XP Massey. We also have a 9690 that's available, and we have a 9545 that's coming in on that first one down there, that new one down there. We've got a 3-year-old 9545 coming in. That's a really nice used combine as well. And then we've got this S77. We'll get that hood fixed on this one. Unfortunately, that did have the hood get crunched on it last year, but here is a very nice, very well taken care of S77. It does have a few more hours on it than the average S77s out there, but it was individually ran. It wasn't a wheat harvest machine, and the customer had it taken care of at the dealership every single year. So it's a very nice, well cared for S77. Like I say, it does have a few more hours on it, but you won't tell by the maintenance of the machine. You go look at the augers, the chains on this combine, you can tell it was well cared for. So, like I say, we've got a whole row of used combines, new combines out here. Merz Farm Equipment, we're ready to take care of all your harvest needs with the Gleaner, with the Masseys. But we got the whole lineup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them sitting here now, and a handful more coming yet. So come check them out. Check out at merzfarmequipment.com. On Tractor House, they'll all be listed on Tractor House, but go to merzfarmequipment.com. You can see our inventory of combines, our headers, tractors, everything there. Merz Farm Equipment. Brittany and Keldon and Dylan are doing a great job keeping the website updated. Good selection of new and used combines, corn heads, draper heads, flex heads, all on there. So working on potentially a few other trades, some older Gleaners, some more Masseys. Check it out. merzfarmequipment.com. Thanks for watching.